Barack Obama is hailing the High Court's green light for his health insurance law.
If you're one of the 30 million Americans who don't yet have health insurance, starting in 2014, this law will offer you an array of quality, affordable private health insurance plans to choose from.
But the law would still leave plenty of people uncovered. A big category, undocumented immigrants. An estimated 11 million people who are ineligible for anything but emergency care. As for citizens and legal residents, the High Court leaves it up to the 50 states whether to expand their Medicaid insurance programs to millions more low-income earners. Many of those states, led by Republican administrations, are threatening to resist.
We have a choice whether or not to go forward with the Medicaid expansion. We have a choice, and I can tell you it has to go to our legislature, we have to work with our governor, and we have to decide what to do next.
So in a state like Texas, where Medicaid currently reaches only 26% of the poverty line, a family of 4 earning more than $9,000 a year could remain uninsured. But others with higher incomes, like small businesswoman Angela Laws, are uncertain whether to start buying insurance. Angela, who suffers from diabetes, is afraid the law won't provide her enough of a subsidy to afford premiums that would now cost her $17,000 a year.
My decision is not to get insurance. Okay, if that answers your question directly, it's not to get insurance. It is to continue on as I'm doing right now, and it's depending on my medical care through the community health center.
For those who choose not to buy a policy, the penalty would range from $250 to $2,500 a year. But that may prove to be a tempting alternative for some young and healthy people who figure they'd be spending much more on premiums and so decide to stay uninsured. Tom Ackerman, Al Jazeera, Washington.